Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here at Lindemann Elementary School, home of the Lions in Allen Park, Michigan. And a beautiful morning and afternoon, got to speak to all the students, grades K through 5, the students and staff. And the main focus on today's message was all about diversity and the need for human kindness, right? That we are able to show kindness to everybody around us, show this love without any conditions, this unconditional love. That if someone's taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, in a wheelchair or not, wears glasses or not, we can still show this love without any conditions. And it was so awesome because so many students that came up to me, they told me that they want to change the world and that they want to make a difference. And I told them that they already are doing it at a young age by just sharing their heart, by just being themselves. And when it comes down to showing kindness, right, it's so important because it's not just potentially to the one person that we show kindness to. It could be anybody else who hears that kind word or sees that positive action, that it could change their heart as well. Further, we know that peace really has to start in the hearts, right? That's where peace truly begins. And that if we take it on ourselves to know that, just one act of kindness at a time is how we start to change this world and make it a better place, and know that there is truly a need for human kindness, then kind of everything else just falls into place. And a big piece of that too is knowing that yes, we are all different, that there is a lot of diversity around us. There's a lot of uniqueness to us. And so many students came up to me, told me that they were born a certain way, that they might be born a little bit different than their peers, but that's what makes them beautiful, right? And then all of us are true miracles, no matter what, like the M on all of our palms. I talk about this in every presentation, but the lines of our hand, M for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And it's up to us, for as much as we receive this kindness, now we have to go out into this world and start to share that with others around us that really need to see that light and, be that light to their hearts to hopefully, create a space of understanding, of tolerance, of acceptance. And so I love this here at Lindemann. You see this throughout the hallways, but it says right here, be respectful, be responsible, be safe, be a lion. And that's what it comes down to, is really showing this respect, no matter our differences, whether we're born different on the outside, if we walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, right? But also on the inside, our skills, our talents, our abilities, and we can still always choose to appreciate and honor that diversity, not only in ourselves, but in everybody around us, by seeing again ourselves as true miracles and everybody else in this world. As always, much love. Hope to see you all again in the future. Thanks for touching my heart. Make sure to hit the notification bell you see pop up on the screen here. Hit the subscribe button too to get updates on future videos like this one. Check out my website too, mrpeace.org, the link you'll see on the screen, and the playlist above to track my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.